Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn ABC and 1, 2, 3.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down.
A.
My fair lady, build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones. My
B.
B.
fair lady.
C.
C.
Stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks
1.
and stones
1.
will all fall down. My fair lady, build it up with wood and clay.
2.
Wood
2.
and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay. My fair lady.
3.
3.
Red color.
Red color.
Wood and clay will wash away.
Orange color.
Wash away.
Orange color.
Wood and
Yellow
clay
color.
will wash away.
Yellow color.
My fair lady.
Blue color.
Build
Blue color.
iron and steel, iron
Green
and
color.
steel, iron and
Green color.
build it up with iron
Purple
and
color.
steel, my
Purple color.
fair lady.
Pink color.
Pink color.
Brown color.
Brown color.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady.
A for apple.
A for apple.
Falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
1.
1.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2, away she flew.
2.
2.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck
3.
3. A. B. C. 1. 2. 3. Thank you. See you soon.